chassis. Nei, jeg får gå opp og dra seg rett over.
Han fikk progress på den.
2 porter!
Ja, ja vi fikk minus 38.
So, oh, my glasses are really dirty. I need to do something about that. Anyways, last night I went comping, class 2 and class 3. I managed to lose my screw. This is my class 2 rig. There's a video coming out with me rebuilding it. It's on a Nordic Crawl Vortex chassis. It's got Mia's axles. It's got all kinds of cool bits, some homemade links. It's actually just starting to perform fairly decent and didn't go too badly the first round. And then I realized, yeah, the axle housing broke. I tried to super glue it together. That didn't work. So that was course 1. So what do you do when a car breaks? Well, luckily I had several rigs with me, just 'cause. So I ended up running this on one of the courses. This is my son's class 2. Same axles, about the same wheelbase, different chassis, lots of stuff. Decent enough. And then just for fun I think it was on course 3, I ran this thing. While those 2 other ones are purpose built, not very well, mind you, but they're sort of in the progress of hopefully becoming pretty decent class 2 rigs. This one is, well, it's not bone stock anymore. This is the UDIRC UCX2405. It's a really cheap, just over $100, a little crawler, and this is the Pro version, so it has, well, you can't see it probably. In here, there's a little brushless outrunner. It's got a 2-speed gearbox. It has 4-wheel steering. It's a lot of fun. It's got super slow crawl on in low gear, and it's got stupid fast speed in high gear. No torque, but plenty of speed. Does wheelies, jumps, all that stuff. I did some changes to it before I went out yesterday. Quite a few, actually. These wheels have been on for a while. They're the Endura XHX 60mm pins. They're too small because there's not a lot of clearance under here, so it would need bigger tires. And I think I could get away with that without it rubbing too much, so next time I'm going to run some 63 mils. Probably these rupture clones from AliExpress that are really cheap with 3D printed inserts in them. Designed and made by me, of course. But I also did some other changes. It's got better servos front and rear, 9.9 mod 11 kilo servos. You don't get quite 11 kilos because of the BEC and the ESC, but sure. I stretched it out quite a bit. It's normally the same length, link lengths front and rear. I stretched it out about, well, close to 30 millimeters, I think, with some SX24, no, some FCX 18 upper links, lower links as upper links is what I wanted to say, and some TRX4M lowers from the rear of a TRX4M. Stretched it out quite a bit, put some new shocks on it. These are the UDIRC monoclonius, is it? Monoclonius shocks. They're really quite nice. They're way softer than the stock ones. They're oil filled. So it's been stretched out. It's got a deadbolt, I believe, drive shaft, better wheels and tires. I had to change out the front axle yesterday before I went out because I'd snapped one of the axles. So overall, so I ended up running this in one run in class 2, I think. Didn't do great. Didn't expect it to. It's a really cheap car. And I mean, they are 2 very, very different beasts. This has really high center of gravity with a body, the cage, all that stuff, everything's up high. The battery's in the rear. It's got little driver dudes in there, which is awesome. Steering wheel, all that. So not a comp rig at all. I just brought it for fun. And then I decided to run Class 3, which normally is really purpose-built, usually pretty expensive, four-wheel steer rigs with all kinds of nice parts in them. And I ran this because why not? I was there to have fun. I wasn't going to win anything anyways. Way behind in the standings. Yesterday was the last comp of the season outdoors. So a few months, indoor season starts. Because Norway, snow, rain, cold weather, all that stuff. So I ran this and, well, you'll see I cleared a few gates. Not many. I also failed a lot. I don't think I finished any course. Well, yeah. I did finish one course. Not all that well, mind you, but this was courses set up for Class 2 and Class 3. Purpose-built hardcore comp rigs, and I ran this thing. Well, that video is about to start about, now.
Tilbake og gå litt av stempen.
Nice. Det var faen ikke til. Den var grønn. Nei, men i
helvete. Det er jo markør for det, Kjetil.
Ja, sånn kan det være.
Tid etterpå så kan du tøvle den kanskje. Så er det liksom ta igjen det tapte litt.
Ja, kanskje.
Da må tid til å gå.
Igjen da. Ja, det var...
Ja, det var på den nå der.
Ja, det var det.
Nå skal jeg rygge litt av seg også der.
Vars.
Nei, i svarte hanten, altså.
Ja. Jeg har vært på den yttermarkøren, så vi kan jo snakke svingen litt. Kjør med det.
Har den vært på den?
Jeg har vært på toeren, skjønner du.
Ja, den har ikke jeg fått med.
Oi.
Har ikke du dårlig?
Nei, men jeg har ikke vært på den, altså.
Bare den jeg fikk med.
Helvete stritt.
Bane jeg skal kjøre sist.
Han ligger i kassa til gård. Nei, kåsa.
Kåsa til ballene.
Den sitter der igjen da.
35. Kid Hanks.
Ja, det er jo null bakkeinnklaring på de hjemstingene her. Vent da, nå. Hva skjedde med frontstyret? Der.
Kreften.
Nei, jeg får ikke holde på å dra seg rett over.
Han fikk progress på den.
2 borter!
Ja, vi fikk minus 38.
All right, so there you have it. You've seen a few clips of me running this. What would this be? Like a class 1, class 0, something like that. It's a scale rig. It's a cage-built scale rig. It's got the weight in all the wrong places. It's super fun. It's probably one of my favorite rigs this last year because it's cheap. It's got stupid amounts of power and stupid amounts of speed if you switch gears. I mean, it's a really cool rig. I have a full video on it. Was it up there? Up there? Well, one of those places. You know, check it out. It's really cool. Did it go well? No. Did I expect it to go well? No. So, like a class 0, class 1 scale rig up against purpose-built, really tough courses for class 3 rigs. But, I mean, I had fun. On the third course, I said before I even started, I'm going to be happy if I don't fail out on the first gate. I don't think I did. I managed the first gate. I managed the second, the third, and then I think I managed the fourth, I think. And I think I failed out in like the third, fourth, 1, 2. Well, I failed out somewhere along the line. That was the third run. The second run, I actually managed to finish the course. On the third run, on the second run, I actually managed to finish it without failing out on points or, on time. So, I mean, that's class 3 in a class 0, basically, scale rig, and I actually managed to finish the whole thing. Lots of points, though. Didn't go well, but, I mean, it did it. And it's still an awesome little fun rig. Highly recommend it. I've tried a bunch of different servos. These 9i mods are the ones I found to work the best. No stutter. Some of the other ones I had a crazy stutter when you hooked them up. They've got plenty of torque for this little thing, and they're really cheap. I'll have a link, in the description. So if you watched all the way through my me failing on stuff and not doing great, it's because this wasn't built for it, and it still did some of it, which I think is pretty impressive. And I'll have a video up later where I go through some of the changes I've made, and I kind of want to see if I can make this even better. It needs weight down low, so I'm thinking brass wheels, some bigger tires. Yeah, that's coming up. And just, make it work a little better. Never going to be a super capable comp rig, but it's going to be a fun rig, which is, what this should all be about. So, yeah, thanks for watching if you watched the whole thing. And you have one of these? If you have any tips to how you can make this even better, and if you have any pointers where I get some brass, some overdrive would be nice, stuff like that, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, all that YouTube stuff. Peace.